Hello, my name is Rich Nolan from Nolan Engineering in upstate New York, and today we're making this video because we need employees. We're just not finding them out there on things like Indeed or what have you. Basically, we're looking for architects, a licensed architect with experience, a licensed engineer, and even drafters slash designers. But before we get started describing what our company does and if you would be a good fit, first we're going to give you a little architectural test. I'm going to show you two layouts of a bathroom, layout A and layout B, and would like you to tell me what you think is the best layout and why, and we will address that at the end of the video. I'd like to also apologize for that ringing background noise. I have no idea where that's coming from. We'll fix that for the next video. So what do we do? First, where we're located. We're located about 30 minutes north of Albany. We're an architectural engineering company. We specialize in both commercial and residential. We have about 15 employees. We have a structural engineer, a licensed engineer, a civil engineer, a mechanical engineer, and experienced designers slash drafters, and of course some support staff. Also, we have inspectors, field inspectors for inspecting structural issues out in the field. We do little stuff like decks, garages, additions, second stories, and then we start getting into medium stuff like a lot of brand new homes. I'd say 50 to 100 brand new homes a year. Septic systems. We also do commercial additions, commercial fit-ups for doctors' offices, restaurants, retail spaces, liquor stores, a lot of different kind of fit-ups, apartment building fit-ups, where someone buys an old 2 or 3 family apartment building, and we'll go in and design the new layout and code reviews. And we do new commercial like convenience stores, multi-story apartment buildings. We just did a Bobcat dealership down the street. So we do a lot of different projects. Of course, we would not be expected to be able to do all of those things. You would, do the things that you're talented in. Well, we do have a lot of jobs. At any one time, we have over 100 active jobs, and each person in the company has about a dozen jobs at one time. I forgot to mention we also do site planning for new businesses or new zoning variances, stuff like that. We'll go to planning board meetings, get the projects approved. Site planning includes like stormwater, landscaping, ADA paths, dumpster spaces, lighting, if I didn't already say that. We do a lot of structural inspections for insurance companies, for trees falling on houses, or fires, or cars impacting houses, or just people with problems, cracked foundation walls, bowing foundation walls, problems with their roof, problem with their floor joists, problems with walls, anything. We'll go in, either write a report, tell them it's okay, or what's causing it, or it's not okay, what to do about it. Sometimes we do repair drawings. So I think there's a lot of benefits working here compared to other companies. First of all, we offer all the things that big companies offer. We have excellent pay, 401k, vacation, free life insurance, sick days, health insurance, not all of it's covered, but a lot of it, dental, vision. We have employee appreciation days where we, like once a year, we try to do something fun with everybody. We have multiple days where we'll just do a cookout outside or some other thing like that. And everybody that works here is great. Everyone gets along well. Everybody helps each other out with training or what it may be. Of course, we have access to, we have a conference rooms, we have the large format printers. You have office staff that would help you out with any questions you may have. You never have to deal with billing or anything like that. The people that work here, I like to give them as much power as possible. I'm very busy with a lot of drawings, reviews, and stamping things off. That the more my people can get done here, the better. So I don't micromanage whatsoever. You take care of your own projects. You do your own site visits. You meet with your own customers, call them, email them, meet with them at the office. And I really only need to see it at the end to bless it off. So I'm going to leave the email at the bottom of the screen, and if you have any questions, like to email to schedule an interview, email your resume over, that would be great, and we will definitely get back to you. So now going back to that little architectural test, of course it's a simple test and there's not necessarily one right answer over the other. But if we look at layout A, we see as soon as you open the bathroom door, what's the first thing you see? Is the toilet. Well, that's not the first thing you necessarily want to see when you open up a bathroom door. Another thing to recognize in layout A is the door swings in. Bathrooms are usually tight and small, so it'd be better if that door were to swing outward, so you don't have to walk around it to get to the sink, or it just feels like a bigger space. Another minor thing is the tub, the faucet is on an exterior wall, an outside wall. That's, in this cold climate we have here, is not necessarily good. It could lead to freezing pipes possibly if not insulated well enough, or condensation and mold growth. As opposed to layout B, the door opens outward, so you don't feel confined. As soon as you open the door, you can see the entire bathroom. You have the sink right in front of you, and then you have the toilet off to your right. It's not visible. We could have also built a little knee wall there, or a full height wall to close off that toilet even more. We could have put that toilet in its own room and made the sink smaller. And of course, the faucet on the bathtub is located on an interior wall. So another major thing, not only freezing, but if you had to work on that valve, now you get behind that valve and replace it. And in the first instance, it was on the exterior wall. You'd have to pull the tub. And believe it or not, we see this stuff, and a lot of little things like this come with experience, and that's the kind of stuff we would hope that you would bring here, or that you would at least learn here. Thanks again, and hope to hear from you.